move on to our next news. At the opening of the Beijing Expo, Chinese Vice Premier He Lifeng remarked that the world is experiencing a period of turbulence and transformation amid what he described as increasing economic risk and uncertainty. Speaking at the event, he directly criticized countries imposing trade restrictions, saying that some were interfering in the market under the pretext of reducing risk by implementing tariffs and other barriers. His comments come as U.S. President Donald Trump announced trade deals and new tariffs on several countries, including Indonesia and Vietnam. Trump also signaled a fresh round of tariff notifications and said letters outlining new U.S. tariff rates for smaller countries would be sent out soon, with the proposed rate expected to be slightly over 10%. Here's what the Chinese Vice Premier had to say.
当前，一些国家以去风险为由干预市场，以加征关税和限制措施等手段搞所谓的制造业回流。 产业链、供应链的重复建设增多，拉低了全球经济整体的运行。
Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum has said that she disagrees with the U.S. government's decision to impose a duty of about 17% on Mexican tomato imports. Speaking at her regular morning news conference, Sheinbaum also said she hoped to announce measures next week in conjunction with tomato producers related to Washington's announcement on July 14th that will begin charging a duty of about 17% on imports of fresh tomatoes from Mexico. Measures next week in conjunction with tomato producers related to Washington's announcement on July 14th that will begin charging a duty of about 17% on imports of fresh tomatoes from Mexico. The Mexican president also said Mexico will take action if an agreement with Washington regarding new tariffs is not reached by the August 1st deadline, set by her U.S. counterpart Donald Trump. This comes after Trump on July 12th threatened to impose a 30% tariff on imports from Mexico starting on August 1st, claiming the United States' top trading partner had not done enough to stop drug cartels. Now we move on to our next news.